Trafalgar Wireless obviously is our SIM card, our data provider, and in the beginning, we viewed them as, hey, it's a SIM card, everybody has one. What makes you different? Well, what we learned with Trafalgar is they can make a difference. They've helped us out not only in providing the right coverage for us, but the customer service aspect has been great. Anytime there's a network outage, anytime there's a delay in data, they're on top of it and they're giving us feedback as we go. So I do feel like we have a true partner in that way. But one of the most crucial parts for them has been that when we focus domestically in the United States, but when we go and venture out in the international, that we present them scenarios and they've been able to step up every time and give us the data that we need at a reasonable price as well. And so that, in effect, that grew our business in ways that we never anticipated. And that only that's a testament to Trafalgar and what they can provide.